In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record journal entries in Freshbooks. Whether you're managing your own small business or handling the accounting for a larger operation, recording journal entries is an essential part of maintaining accurate financial records. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Freshbooks website, your go-to platform for managing finances seamlessly. Once you're in, head over to the accounting section. From the main menu on your dashboard, click on Accounting, and then choose Journal Entries. This is where you'll be handling all your journaling needs. Now, you're ready to start a new journal entry. You'll find a button named Create Journal Entry. Go ahead and click it. This will open up a new form that you'll need to fill out with some critical details. You'll begin by entering the date of the journal entry, followed by the name. Picking a descriptive title for your journal entry is helpful, as it allows you to easily identify it later. If you have a reference number or code, this can be included in the number field. Adding a brief description can provide additional context, which can be invaluable when you're reviewing your entries down the line. After you've got the fundamentals down, it's time to add some detail to your entry. You'll see options to add lines for different accounts. For each account, you'll enter the relevant amount in either the debit or credit column. This step is crucial since accounting works on the principle of double entry, requiring each entry to balance between debits and credits. If you need extra lines for different transactions, don't worry. You can easily add more by clicking Add a Line. As you add more transactions, always remember to make sure that your debits and credits are equal. This balance is key, as it ensures your accounts are accurate and your entry will save properly. Once all your lines are added and you've double-checked the debits equal the credits, you're ready to save. Go ahead and click Save. It's important to note that once a journal entry is saved in Freshbooks, it cannot be deleted, so it's worth taking a moment to ensure everything is correct before you finalize the entry. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded a journal entry in Freshbooks. Remember, if you're new to this process or just need a refresher, there are plenty of resources available, including YouTube tutorials to help guide you. Happy bookkeeping, and until next time, keep your finances in check.